This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Uipath Studio, an OCR package, Tesseract or Cloud OCR, and the target files. Next, create a new process and add the Uipath OCR Activities package. This gives you read PDF with OCR and OCR engines. Once added, configure the OCR engine in the activity properties, point to a local Tesseract executable, or drop in API credentials for Cloud OCR. Make sure file paths are relative. This prevents failures when you move the project between machines. Once done with setup, drag read PDF with OCR, or get OCR text into the sequence and wire the input file or image selector. Choose your OCR engine in the activity properties and tweak parameters like scale, engine mode, and text cleaning options. These improve accuracy on low-resolution images. Then set output to a string variable and, if available, capture confidence scores. Run with a single test file first. This helps you iterate quickly on scaling and preprocessing steps, such as image binarization or desqueuing. To finish, post-process the extracted string. Trim whitespace, run regex to normalize patterns like dates or ID, and replace frequent OCR misreads, 0 versus letter O, comma for decimal, that sort of thing. Loop files with for each for batch automation, log results, and implement retries when confidence falls below your threshold. If results are poor, adjust image preprocessing or increase DPI. Do not immediately switch engines. One key troubleshooting tip: improve source quality first, then tweak engine parameters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.